In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest and ClickBank in order to earn money online. And don't worry, if you cannot use ClickBank in your country for whatever reason, there are other alternatives. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money online using Pinterest and ClickBank. And at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to be revealing a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can earn even more money online. Now, let me show you everything. Let me share my screen to make sure that we are actually on the same page. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay, asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp, so if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, people to make money online. I'm actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay. Someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they're using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it. Okay. Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Okay, so now as you can see, if we go to SimilarWeb, which is actually a website, you can see statistics about websites and all this traffic. You can see that right now, over 1 billion people visit Pinterest, and this is actually per month, and they spend a lot of time, almost 6 minutes. Okay, almost 6 minutes visiting this website, browsing around. So this is actually really, really nice. We can also see that most of them are coming from the US. So that means that these are actually people, and most people don't know this, that they are looking for something. And if they find it on Pinterest, they're going to make the purchase. Okay. Pinterest is a social network in which people go specific for find solutions to get ideas and to get products. Okay. So just in case that you're wondering, Diana, do you really use Pinterest? Well, yes, this is actually my Pinterest account. As you can see, I'm really consistent posting videos and images here on Pinterest. So I really, really like it. What else do we need? Well, we need a product or a service. You can find it on ClickBank. If you cannot use ClickBank, there are other alternatives like Digistore24 and even JVZoo or Warrior Plus. But I'm going to be doing this with actually ClickBank. Okay, it's all these platforms that I mentioned. They are free to join. You just need to have a valid email address. You need to type in your name. You need to verify your identity. Are you going to be there? Okay. The reason why I like to use these kind of platforms, I know there are private offers, and by private offers I mean products or services that they are not listed here, but they do have affiliate program. It's the fact that, well, with ClickBank, we have a lot of offers and topics here in the marketplace. If I click here on all, you're going to see that we have, you know, products is about art, business, computer, cooking, education, games, health and fitness, parenting, self-care, and all this stuff. Okay. So literally everything that you're passionate about, it's actually here. But if you're wondering, like, Diana, which are like the best categories, the top categories, okay? The top ones on the internet are health, wealth, and relationship. Okay. This doesn't mean that you cannot promote other products as, okay? Because if not, they will not be here. Both those are like the top tops. Okay. Here also, if you go to D Store 24, you're going to see that they do have a marketplace as well. Okay. If you want to see like, okay, I want to see which are like the top offers right now on ClickBank. Well, you can click here. It says top offers, and the system, it's gonna list you the top offers at this very time. Okay. So you can do that, or you can browse by your favorite category and check on the products. Okay. So you're going to notice several things. Okay. For example, you can see here the language because they are all their languages, and the store 24 is actually the same. You can see here the category. You can see like a brief explanation about it. Okay. You can see that they do have the affiliate tool. Not all of them have it. And this is the affiliate page. Okay. And you can also see how much money people are earning on average. Okay. People are earning on average. If you click here where it says promote, you are going to get your link. Okay. What does the gravity score means? It means that there is a lot of people promoting this product and they're actually getting results. Okay. So if I go and let's say that, okay, I'm not going to go with the top products. Okay. Let's say that I'm going to go with a product about home and garden. Okay, product about home and garden. And by the way, this one, like Ted Woodworking, it's really, really, it's a really good product. If you go and promote it on Pinterest, okay, this is a product that it works like really, really well with Pinterest. Okay, so we can go and we can actually sort it by gravity. By gravity means that we're gonna see like which is the product that people are promoting the most and they're earning the most. Okay. So this one, Ted Woodworking, man, this is actually a great product with Pinterest. Okay. So what else? What else do we need? Okay. What else do we need? We already have the information about this product. Okay. If we click here where it says affiliate page, okay, you are going to notice that they are giving us some information. Some of these are actually giving us images, or we can have an idea of what the product is all about. This video, people are actually getting really, really good results because it's all about images. Okay. It's all about images. It's all about graphics. So that's the reason. The reason why a lot of people are earning money as well, way more money, is because they do have what we call a funnel. Okay. The main product, it's $67 or $49, depending if the person is going to abandon the shopping cart and all this stuff. Okay. So what else do we need? Okay. What else do we need? Well, we know that this product, it's all about woodworking. And well, we can find products or video tutorials on YouTube. Okay. You can go, for example, here, this is my YouTube channel, but you can go to YouTube and you can go with woodworking tutorials. Okay. Let me show you woodworking. Okay. Let's say woodworking projects. Okay. We can go and we can share them. Okay. We can share them. You are not going to receive credit like it is as your own. Okay. You can create your own videos if you want. And now we are going to go to Aweber. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can grab your free Aweber account. And you're going to click here where it says page forms. And you're going to click here where it says landing pages. Okay. Here on the landing page, we are going to be doing something super simple. Okay. We're going to be doing some super simple. Okay. First of all, we're going to find a template that we're going to be using. Okay. There are tons of templates and even you can start from scratch. My suggestion is like, if you're just getting started, do not start from scratch because you're going to be wasting a lot of time, but use this one, simple product sales. Okay. I'm going to choose this one, and this is the one that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be sharing all the information and everything with it. Okay. So one thing is that if you don't have a logo, you can remove it. We really don't need it. Okay. You can also remove this, the power by Aweber, but if you leave it, there is this pro tip. Okay. This is the link URL, and this is actually your affiliate link. So you're going to be earning money on that. Okay. So we are not going to be using an image. We are actually going to be using a video. So I'm going to drag and drop the video. Boom, really easy. Okay. I'm going to delete it. And let's say that, okay, this is just for training purposes. Let's say that my video is about woodworking. Okay. I'm sharing with people like the best videos, the best tutorials, the best projects with woodworking. Okay. So let's say that that's that. Okay. Which is actually not, but this is just an example. Okay. So you are going to go and you're going to click here where it says share. And this is the link that you are going to be adding to share the video. Okay. This is going to be the link that you're going to be adding. So I'm going to copy it. Okay. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go back to my Weber and I'm going to click here. This is the video here. You're going to see that it says paste the YouTube or Vimeo URL. Okay. Boom. So here's my video. Okay. Here's my video. And what you're going to be putting here in the product name, you're just going to copy and paste the title. So let's say that these are like, I don't know, top 5 woodworking projects. Okay, here is it. Top 5 woodworking projects, a little bit description that we can find it. And we're going to put something like, okay, we can put something like free training. Okay. Here in the bottom, we can put something like free training. Okay. And now, the only thing is that we will need to add our link. If you want to make this, let's say like a little bit more natural, okay, you can delete this and you can do this. Okay. This also works. Okay. Free training. Click here. Okay. You can select this and here you're going to put the link. Okay. Which is the link that you're going to be using? It's going to be your ClickBank link. Okay. It's going to be, in my case, this one. If I click here where it says promote, I'm going to create here. Okay. This is the link that I'm going to be adding. Okay. This is the link that I'm going to be adding. And this is the link that I'm going to be pasting here. Okay. So with that said, the only thing that I actually need is to save and exit so I can publish this website and can have my URL. So what else do we need? Well, we need to create images. And don't worry, you don't need to be reinventing the wheel. Okay. You don't need to be reinventing the wheel. For example, here, if you go with the weight loss, you're going to see that we have a lot of weight loss images. Okay. Also, let's say that we're going to go with woodwork. Okay. You are going to see that we have a lot of ideas. This is it's yeah. Here is it. How do I close this? Anyways, I don't know when I'm getting this, so let me close it. Okay, so here we have some ideas. Okay, so you're gonna see these are actually random ideas. Okay, these are just images, image and text, 10 things to make a woodworking. Okay, so we can do this really simple images going to Canva. Here on canva.com, okay, here on canva.com, you're going to notice that this is actually a free tool and you can go and you can choose images from Pinterest. Okay. You're going to type it here and you're going to choose images that are from Pinterest. Okay. Or that they do have the layout to go on Pinterest. Okay. You can go to Google, literally. You can go to Google and you can actually customize this. Okay, you can actually customize this with the image. Remember, in my case, it's going to be all about woodworking. Okay, and the only thing that you need to do is to add them to Pinterest. How do you actually do this? Well, there are two places in which I want you to add the link. Okay, let me show you with my example. So you're going to notice that I have my link here. Okay, I do have my link here, which is, this is my main page. But also, whenever you are creating a pin, okay, you're going to create here a pin. You are going to be adding the image here, the title, and you're going to put here the URL destination, which is not going to be your ClickBank product because Pinterest don't like that. Okay, it's going to be the page that we just created with Aweber. Okay, so this is actually a great way, guys, in which you can actually earn money with Pinterest. And I can tell you by experience that a lot of people are looking for this kind of things on Pinterest and they're ready to buy. But if you want to learn more about this, more strategies, check the very first link in the description, guys. You're going to be finding a actual course in which you're going to be learning way more about this. If you're really serious about making money online and you're really serious about having an online business. Okay. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have some comments and questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video. Lo que no se quiere se mata.